Hello everyone, welcome to the Wire classes. Today in this video we'll simplify this radical problem. Here in the questions we have addition of two cube roots values. Now for solution of this problem, first of all we'll let the first term as a and the second term, which is in negative, we'll take it as b. So our expression will be, so here a is equal to 8 plus 3 square root 21 and b equal to 8 minus 3 square root 21. Now our first expression, this expressions we have written here, it will be cube root a and that will be a real number, and likewise the second expressions cube root b, that will also be real number. Therefore we can say that the whole expression value will be a real number. Now our next step will be, we'll let this whole expression as x. So the value of x will be cube root a plus cube root b. Now for further solution, we'll cube both sides. So it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So the formula of a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube. So likewise we'll write it here. Here we have elaborated this expression. It is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now we'll simplify this. Here cube root and cube value gets cancelled. Likewise here also cube and cube root value gets cancelled. In this step we have simplified and grouped it together. Means we have written a here, a, and this value a square and cube root b value in one term. Now the under root a square value we can write a times a and b. So it is multiplication of ab. Likewise here also we'll write a and b as b times b. So here again we have a times b. Now here we will calculate the value of a times b. Means multiplication of two conjugate value, that is equal to, here we have multiplied the a and b value and it is in the form of a plus b times a minus b. So we can write it as a square minus b square. So here we have written a square minus b square. 8 square is 64 minus 3 square is 9. 9 times 21 is 198 and it is negative 125, and which is the cube of negative 5. It is the cube of negative 5. So the multiplication of AB is negative 5 cube. Now in the next step we'll put the value of a times b here. So a as it is plus 3 times cube root a as it is, and in place of ab we'll write negative 5 cube. Likewise here also 3 times cube root, in place of ab we'll write negative 5 cube and b as it is plus b. Now we'll simplify it here. It is the value of x cube, so we'll write x cube is equal to a as it is, a plus. Now if we look at this expression carefully, here we have 3, we'll write 3 as it is, times, here we'll take this negative 5 cube and we have cube root value, so negative 5 will come outside, so negative 5, and in the cube root we will have only a, so cube root a. Likewise the next term plus 3 times this negative 5 will come outside from here, also negative 5 come outside, it will be negative 5 only, and in the cube root value, there will be b, and this plus b will write as it is. Now we'll simplify. The value of x cube will be a as it is. Here 3 and negative 5 will be negative 15 and cube root a. Likewise, so friends, here we have simplified the value of x cube in this expression. Now we'll further solution this expression in the next page. So friend, here we have copied down the last page expression. Now we'll segregate a and b one side and the remaining value in one side. So we'll write it as, so now from this expression we can take negative 15 common from these two. Here we have taken 15 common from these two terms, and this is the value of x cube. So our expression will be, so friend, in the beginning we have laid this term as x, so it is 15x. Now we'll have to find the value of a plus b, and we know a is equal to, so in the beginning we have laid this term as a and this term as b. Now from here we will calculate a plus b. Now we'll add a plus b here, and that will be equal to, here negative and positive value gets cancelled, so 8 plus 8 is 16. The value of a plus b is 16. Now we'll replace a plus b by 16. So after putting the value of a plus b as 16, we have got this expression. Now we'll let all the terms in the left hand side. So now we have got this polynomial or cubic expressions. Now we'll simplify it. For simplifying, we have a better solutions if we factorize this term, and we'll factorize for the real value of x. In the past videos, I have expressed how to factor the cubic equations. You can go and watch the videos from there. So we can say x is equal to 1 will satisfy this expression. So we'll have a factor as x minus 1. So it's a factor of this polynomial or cubic expression. Then the other factor will be, so this polynomial expression will have two factors. These are x minus 1 times x square plus x plus 16. So we can say that x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x square plus x plus 16 is equal to 0. So it's a quadratic equation. Now for real solution of this quadratic equations, we'll find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So in place of b square means 1 square and negative 4 times 1 times 16, and it is, now if we will solve this, we will get negative 63, which is less than 0. So this value, this quadratic equations will not have a real solution. Now from these expressions we can calculate the x is equal to 1. So friends, we can say that this expression is equal to x. We have let this expression as x, and x is equal to 1. So the solution of this expression is 1 only. So friends, this ends for today. Please subscribe the channel for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching.